Hello everyone, this is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher, doing a warm welcome to online class of computer. And one reminder to you, just like, share and subscribe the channel for further notification. Let's begin.
Class 7th. Today we will learn the application of AI in everyday uses. How AI is influencing our everyday life. This word I think is not new to you, Siri. Siri is a voice assistant by Apple. Like in my previous video, I have told you about Alexa that has been developed by Amazon, and the developer of Siri is Apple. This this is actually a software application that helps in navigating through iPhones by simply listening to the voice and performing the desired task. Let me explain you how it is done. Suppose you say, Siri, set the alarm at 6 o'clock. So it will automatically set the alarm at 6 o'clock and awake you at that time. It is a type of virtual assistant. Smartphones. I need not need any introduction for smartphone. It is there in everyone's hand. But what we want to explain here, how AI has become the integrated part of this smartphone. Nowadays, smartphone has been introduced with powerful AI chips that can perform up to 5 trillion operations. Especially photo editor applications in smartphone generally use AI. How it is using AI? It is using AI in adjusting mode, night mode, day mode, different types of modes are there according to the environment and surrounding situations. The photo editor being adjusted and it click the best photo of yours, or it edit the photo in the best way. How this is possible? This is just possible because of AI chips that has been integrated in mostly smartphones. Apart from photo editing options, some more AI based applications are mapping service like Google Maps, Apple Map, virtual assistants, Siri, Google Assistant. Have you seen hello Google, you do like this and it reply you automatically? So how this is doing? Because of AI, artificially intelligent technology is there. We have talked about smartphones. Now the time to make our home smart. Actually, making the home smart means some devices we use in home which are completely AI based smart televisions that can be controlled through your mobile phones. Smart refrigerator, it can adjust the temperature, it can adjust the cooling effect. Moreover, it can adjust and save energy also. Smart refrigerator. And nowadays refrigerator are available which does not release any harmful chemicals which is harmful for environment. Security system, advanced security system which has integrated with AI system. You can easily recognize who is at your door through your phone. You can connect the system with your phone and you can smartphones and you can easily recognize the systems. Washing machines which are fully automated. It can adjust the strength of the clothing, water and everything. Online services. Artificial intelligence in e-commerce industry is being utilized by online retailers for providing chatbot services, analyzing customer comments, and for providing personalized service to online shoppers. How it is done? Suppose you order online something, a phone or anything you order, and you can track your shipping, your delivery status, everything. It's not like that कि at a particular time only you can book and you can check the status. Anytime you can check. So this is possible because of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence enable us doing this kind of activities. It analyze the customer comments and share, and accordingly it improves the qualities also. Netflix. Basically this is used for entertainment purpose. This application, by analyzing and detecting the patterns from the data related to the users' viewing habits, Netflix is able to show the right content to each of its users. According to the things you see on the internet or in the Netflix, better I say Netflix, it will collect that information. And through that analysis, it will further show you the things. So, this is because of smartness, intelligent application. That is why it is able to collect the data and show you the required content. So I hope you understand the application. Thank you and have a great day.